This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
Today I am talking with Matt. He is with O'Brien Service Company, Wilmington's local heating and air specialist since 1981. Thanks for being here, Matt.
Thank you for having me again.
If someone is considering having a new heating or air conditioning system installed, what are some of the things they should consider first before beginning the process?
So the most important things are always going to revolve around picking the right company that you can trust. This will be somebody that can size the system specifically to meet you and your home's needs. Our comfort specialist will take into consideration the existing ductwork, the way the home's constructed, the orientation of the home, and even the age of the home. All of these things will tie into a room-by-room measurement into our load calculation to properly size and give you a matchup that you need. This process typically takes about 2 hours, but that can vary depending on the home.
And why is it so important to have the right size system?
Having the right size system is really important to allow the system to have a long enough run time. So a system that is too large for the home will throw too much air into a space. The temperature on the thermostat will sense that it's okay, but it's really not. The system will shut off before it even has a chance to condition or get the humidity out. Not only does this leave you uncomfortable and leave you unhealthy with the potential for mold, it's really a lot of wear and tear on the parts and can cause high energy bills. And then a system too small will always leave you uncomfortable with longer run times during the hot and cold parts of the year. Our comfort specialist will make sure we do not run into any of these problems, and we'll have you set up with the right system for you.
For more details, go to HomePros on WECT.com.